We're happy with you from the beginning. You've been giving us a lot of technical support, and now you've started with giving actual physical support. The Uji program is mainly meant to increase enrollment in primary, to add nutritional value, because some families are too poor. Because in Nyamira we have an average of 4% retarded kids, and this Uji is meant to eliminate, so that we have children who are in uniform and who have capacity to be taught. Because once one is not developed from childhood, the retention power will always be lower than the average kid who has full nutritional balance. So we hope we will continue together into the successful implementation of this project. I know I made a request. We had a shortage in the budget, and I think you gave a promise of September. You can add something to the county government to be able to finance the Uji program. Some people in the county, they thought it's what they call Rika, but this is fortified Uji, which is going to address segments of poor people within Nyamira, so that in the future we have all kids balanced and fully developed from the early stages. I hope we will continue together and join with you in other projects other than the Uji project.